Hi, I'm the BBQ Butcher. Today I'll be going through two different cuts of ducks. We'll be going through a spatchcock duck and boning out a duck into breast, legs and wings. Just a little tip out there for you when you're buying ducks or chicken. If it has a size 30 on the bag or a size 24, size 16, this represents a weight, a metric weight. So size 24 chicken will equal 2.4 kilos. If it's a size 30 duck, that will be 3 kilo duck, and so on. So if you get a size 12 chicken, which is quite small, it's only 1.2 kilos. So that's just a tip for when you're in the supermarket or at your local butcher's trying to work out how heavy they are, because they don't really say. It's just a good tip. So first we'll start off with the spatchcock chicken. I'm just going to use my chicken scissors, really easy, and a boning knife. But first I'm going to take off, I always take off the duck neck, and if you have a look beside me, my little friend has snuck into the video because he loves when I bone out ducks at home. So here you go, buddy. He snuck into the video because he knew he was going to get fed today. So for the spatchcock, we'll spin it over, take off the neck like I did, and this will show you the back. Here's its, all the guts has been taken out, and its tail. You can trim up here as well, just to get rid of some excess fat off it, and that'll make it easier. So swing this over, here's shears, and you can see here, there's like the tail down there. So about that wide, we're going to cut down there and cut down its backbone. You can use a knife, but ducks are very, very bony and hard. They've got very tough little bones. Just do little bites at a time with it. There we go, and then you'll see it when you'll feel it when you're going through the rib bones, because some of the other bones in there you won't be able to get through very easy. Done, and then this side, just repeat it again. Oh, there we go. And just be careful, there's some very sharp bones on these, on the inside once you've cut them. And the last cut, straight down with your knife. You can see all the bones that we've cut. That's what we're cutting through, and that's what you're going for. Take that off there, and you guess who's going to get that later on today. This is another little trick. I'm going to clean out all this stuff, and you can see a wishbone there. You can go through that. It's a little white bit. It's the same as on the chicken one that I did. Just helps open it up. Open up the duck, and that should open it up, pull the rings back, cut out any little loose bits that you've left in it when you're taking it apart, and that will fit perfectly on however you want to cook it. So we'll leave a picture of it there. So it's just a basic spatchcock duck if you want to do it that way. It'll probably feed 2 adults and 2 children, but duck doesn't go far. It's not a big meat that feeds a lot of people. And now we'll jump on into just a basic deboning of a duck into duck breasts, legs and wings. So again, take off the neck and save all this fat in the neck. Okay, this is how I do it. I spin it over first. I'm going to take off the wings, so make them look like they're flying. Little cut down there on the skin, down, and you'll see the ball joint. I will hit it straight away, scoop that out. That's what you're going through, the ball joint is in there. Same with this one. Flick it up, cut it on the skin there, down, and instantly just push your hand and you'll feel it click out a joint. Here we go, again, easy peasy. Then with the legs, clean this up a bit around here. So so you can see. Always clean so you can see where you're going with your knife. And if you look here, see the angle there? That's the part we're going to cut right in there. Boom. And then you're going to get this, hold it with this hand, flip it over, and you're going to feel the hip bone come out, straight down, and there's a leg. I always leave the bones in the inside the duck leg, exactly how it is. Now this one, just repeat that same cycle again, down, spin, twist, you can hear it crunching, and you can hear my dog behind me crunching on his neck. And then you got 2 duck legs. And you can just break this here, put a nick in it with your knife. Always put nicks and it makes it a lot easier. Bring over. Okay, now to do a breast, many different ways, but we'll just do the basic one. If you see here, if you can see me, there's a hump. That's its backbone. And you can see that line going down there. And you go straight down. And you just follow the meat down. And just pull it off the rib cage. Just pull, pull, pull. 1. And you're going to do the same with opposite, down the side of the backbone. Let's get in here, just scoop straight down. Pick up the tenderloin in there. Keep on going. Flip it over and scoop it all out. So that's what the carcass looks like. You get a little bit of meat under here, but it's very hard if you're not using. Professional duck boners will hold the duck on a cylinder like that and be able to scoop that all out. But people at home, this is the easiest way to do it, with the way I've just shown you. Then always trim them up. There's a little tendon here. Take him off. Always like a bit more duck fat on there, so that's cool. Bone there, scoop that out. Again, trim it all up and just take out if there's any little excess bits of bone left on, but there shouldn't be. So there you go, a boned out duck, spatchcock duck, and duck legs. Very simple, fast and easy. Remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day.